what CII is all about and what kind of activities we have chosen in line with the national agenda, the southern region especially, that he has put forth to us very explicitly in representing all the sectors of industry present in the 5 southern states of India. Moving on to the Andhra Pradesh agenda, CII this year is looking at strengthening and envisioning to see a workforce of about 35 million people to be employable by the year 2022. That in line with the numbers which is for the national number, and this is going to be focused on non-farming sectors. CII also strongly believes that the creation of employment opportunities in the rural and semi-urban areas will reduce the migration of people from rural areas to the urban areas in search of better employment prospects. In addition to this, the focus that CII has taken up this year in 2010-11 will be non-migratory jobs, focusing on manufacturing growth, which is currently at about 12%, taking it up to 17% for the state, which again has to be supported strongly by a skills development initiative. I think without that, we all tend to suffer a little bit. So that itself becomes the major backbone of manufacturing growth. Vijayawada, Vizag, Tirupati, Warangal, other tier 2 and 3 cities, and improving the investment climate of Andhra Pradesh, which I think has kind of taken a backseat in the last 2 years. CII Andhra Pradesh is very strongly focused in working along with the government and bringing back the partnership summits and the global investors meet sometime during this current year, which will showcase Andhra Pradesh back to the international community and be a part of that leading initiative that we had already started a few years ago, and we were doing quite well in that regard. CII's focus again will be as the on growth sectors such as biotechnology and pharmaceuticals, and also making Andhra Pradesh concentrate and become a regional hub for medical